Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you some of the best ways to earn money from Google. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking for new ways to boost your income, these tips can help you get started. So, let's get started. Here are some of the best ways to earn money from Google. Google AdSense. This is a program that allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your website or blog. When someone visits your website and clicks on an ad, you will earn a commission. Google Play. If you have an app that you've developed, you can make money by selling it on Google Play. You can also earn money through in-app advertising or in-app purchases. Google Cloud Platform. This is a suite of cloud computing services that businesses can use to build and run their applications. You can earn money from GCP by selling your services to businesses, or by becoming a Google Cloud certified professional. As a bonus, I want to share one more way to earn money from Google: start a YouTube channel. If you have a passion for something, you can start a YouTube channel to share your knowledge and expertise with others. Once you have a large enough audience, you can start making money through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products or services. So, those are just a few of the best ways to earn money from Google. If you're looking for a way to make extra money or start a new career, I encourage you to check out these options. Thanks for watching.